Happy birthday, Jacob!
Hello, Jacob. Wish sa'yo ni Daddy noon. Sana maging good boy ka at laging sumunod kay Mami at kay Daddy at pati na rin kay Lola. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Jacob.
Happy birthday, Jacob! Wish namin sa'yo maging healthy ka. Isa pa, maging masunurin ka sa mga magulang mo. Happy ka sa birthday mo. We love you!
Happy birthday, Jacob! Wish namin sa'yo na magiging good boy ka habang tumalaki. Aray! Enjoy!
Special.
And happy birthday, Jacob. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating. Yun lang. Si Tracy naman.
Enjoy your day.
Happy
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Tracy.
Happy birthday. Bati si Tracy.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jacob. God bless. More birthdays to come. I know you're always a good kid to your parents. And yeah, God bless you more.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jacob. Always be a good boy. Always do good. Listen to your mom. Alright? I will see you soon.
Hi Jacob! Happy birthday to you! This is your Ninong Do. I hope you will grow up as healthy as your father and mother. Okay? I wish you all the luck. I wish for happiness. Pasensya na, hindi ako makadalaw sa inyo dahil syempre, alam mo naman, medyo pandemic ngayon. Pero don't worry, you have your grandmother with you. You have your best mom. Ayan, with you for your birthday. Siguro, I don't have any material gift for you, pero I hope you will like this song. This is actually a very popular song nowadays, popularized by Gary Valenciano. I hope you will like it. I will just sing an excerpt, okay? Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together, 'cause I will be here. Happy birthday, Jacob! May you have many birthdays to come. Enjoy!
Jacob, happy birthday. Be a good boy always, ha? God bless.
Hi, Jacob! Maligayang kawalong kaarawan sa'yo. Pagpatuloy mo ng pagiging mabuti at mabait mong bata para kay Mami at Daddy. Huwag kang maging pasakoy para kay Nanay Ani. Maligayang kaarawan. God bless!
Hi, Jacob! Happy birthday! Miss you! Ano ka na dito? Jacob! Happy birthday! Miss you! Miss you! We love you, Jacob! We love you, Jacob! Enjoy your birthday!
Hi, Jacob. Happy birthday. Always be a good boy, ha? Love you.
Hi, Jacob! Happy birthday! Happy 8th birthday! Naku, sorry ha, hindi na talaga nakapunta ang ininang mo kasi alam mo naman, di pwede lumabas. Basta, mag-aral mabuti. Alam kong mabait yung anak. Siyempre, very proud ng parents mo. So, yun na lang. Pag wala ng pandemic, saka na lang ako pupunta doon. For now, wish you a happy birthday. Regards kay mama mo, at kay lola mo, at kay daddy mo. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Sa Facebook na lang kayo nakikita. Maraming halik na lang sa iyo. See you!